Just imagine I'm a bronzed goddess, okay? Ta-da! I look like I've got no teeth. I do love to stress myself out for a video, don't I? I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Wish me luck. Today, I'm gonna try and transform my entire being in the next hour. Might take a little bit more than an hour to transform this boat race, but we're gonna try. This is my what I call 21st birthday trial run. I turn 21 next month. I'm not sure what I'm doing for it yet, but if I do happen to go on a night out, this is my practice. This is most likely what makeup, hair, and outfit I would wear. Without further ado, no time like the present, let's get started. The first step of my getting ready routine, you know me, it's always a bit of fake tan. So I would usually do this the night before, but I'm not gonna lie, guys. Fake tanning just didn't fit into my schedule right now. I'm due to take this tan off in the next couple of days, so didn't want to be fake tanning last night. Just imagine I'm a bronzed goddess, okay? But when I do fake tan, my favourite one is the Skinny Tan Pro Tan Mousse. This is what it looks like. It's my favourite fake tan ever, so yeah. Imagine I've got this on. Next step of my getting ready routine would be to whiten my teeth. You guys know I love a bit of teeth whitener, especially when it's a special occasion. So I wanted to share with you some of my favourite teeth whitening strips. This part of the video is very kindly sponsored by the team over at Wisdom. So these are the Wisdom Intense White Teeth Whitening Strips. Not gonna lie to you guys, this gal drinks way too much tea, so these are perfect for help making my teeth white again. They're clinically proven to make your teeth up to 6 shades whiter in just 5 days. You get 5 in a packet and they're most effective if you use them daily for 5 days for 30 minutes a day. Easy as pie. These ones are actually made with activated charcoal, which helps to remove the stains on your teeth, and they're enamel safe and peroxide free. They're honestly so easy to use. Because they're individually shaped, like this, it means they fit your teeth perfectly, they're really comfortable to wear, and it gives them superior whitening performance because they can get in all the little nooks and crannies of your teeth. Nooks and crannies. Who come up with that phrase? But anyway, my friends, these are available to buy in Boots, or feel free to click the link in the description down below to go and check them out. I would highly recommend them. But anyway, I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna whack some of these on, show you how to use them, and then I'm gonna leave them on for 30 minutes while I curl my hair. Perfect. I've just brushed my teeth, and then you wanna make sure that your teeth are quite dry. Open them up. Voila. The slightly smaller one is to go on your bottom teeth and the top one is for your top teeth. Make sure you stick them onto your teeth with the gel side touching. Ta-da! I look like I've got no teeth. So I've folded them over my teeth. I'm now going to put the top ones on. Then let's get started with curling my hair because I can't really talk like this. Lay awake until the morning in an ocean so deep. Got a feeling like I'm dauntless whenever you're next to me. Cause I've climbed higher than I could dream of. Now using wires, I know I'm falling free. 17 minutes later, my hair is curled. I can't get over the way I sound. I've got about 12 more minutes to keep these in, so in that time, I'm gonna go and take my makeup off quickly. Okay, I'm back with a makeupless face and the time is now 4:44, so that took me exactly half an hour. Not gonna lie, I did set myself a timer because I didn't want to go over. My hair won't stay looking like this. I will brush through it at the end and dry shampoo it, zhuzh it up a bit. But anyway, let's get on with the makeup. I'm very excited for this, although not so excited to try and do it in half an hour. When I go on a night out, it may be rare, but it does happen. I always use this primer. This is my favourite. It's from NYX. It's the Photo Loving Primer. It just makes sure that your makeup stays on and you're not shiny in pictures, so perfect. Oh, I haven't wet my sponge. Come on, Han, this is gonna eat out of your hour. Time is precious when you're on a limit, Han. For my foundation today, I'm actually gonna try a new foundation. So Urban Decay have sent me 3 different samples of their new Stay Naked foundation. Okay, I'm gonna go with the darkest one, I think, because it's a night out and I would usually have fake tan on. If you have long acrylics, you know, using the back of your nail is the way forward in every aspect of life. Very nice, Urban Decay, very nice. I think I might have to purchase this foundation. Just in case you were wondering, I've just used the shade 41NN. Okay, concealer, come on, honey, you need to hurry it up. I'm using the Collection Lasting Perfection Concealer in the shade 3 Warm Medium. The funniest part of this is that I'm getting stressed over the timer. Guess what I'm doing tonight? Nothing, I'm just watching Gogglebox. I do love to stress myself out for a video, don't I? And I think that is my base makeup complete. So the next thing I'm gonna do is eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the James Charles Morphe palette. First up, all over my lid, I'm gonna use this shade called Canvas. I'm not good at eyeshadow at the best of times when I've got time, so I have no idea what this is gonna look like. Wish me luck. Next up, I'm gonna use the shade Code James all through my crease. In just the outer corners, I'm going to use this shade, which is called No Beans. I'm going to use the same brush, because why not? I feel like right now my brain is rushing and my body's going, nah, take your time. Like, I physically can't do things fast. I'm then going to use the shade So Good, which is this one, in the inner corners and like the middle of my lid. What's that bit called? I don't know the technical term for that. Just there. And then we're going to blend. And I'm going to leave the eyeshadow there with 15 minutes left. So next up, I'm going to do eyebrows, and for my eyebrows, recently I've been absolutely loving the Benefit Ka-Brow. I've recently switched to it from the Anastasia Dip Brow Pomade, and I feel like the Benefit one is just a bit lighter, it's a bit more, I don't know, it just feels more natural. Let me know in the comments down below, what is your all-time favourite eyebrow product? Have you found an absolute gem? If you have, I want to hear about it. I also want to hear in the comments, this would be really interesting, if you're over the age of 21, what did you do for your 21st birthday? Or if you're under the age of 21, what's your big dream for your 21st birthday? What would you love to do? And then to set my eyebrows, I've been loving the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter. This stuff is like glue. Whack a bit of this on your eyebrows and your brows will not move all day long, I can promise you that. Oh my god, I have 8.5 minutes left. Right, the next thing I'm going to do is contour. So for this, I'm going to use the Benefit Hoola Caramel Bronzer. Remember, I would usually have fake tan on. I'm then going to use a bit of the original Benefit Hoola bronzer. I tend to use this on my forehead. I'm just going to lighten up these sections of my eyes because they tend to go really dark. I think I have quite a narrow nose at the top, so a little bit of concealer just lightens them up. And I also tend to use a bit of the Hoola Light bronzer. I'm obsessed with Hoola. I use this over the rest of my face, kind of like as a bronzed powder. The next thing I'm going to do is powder my under eyes. So for this, I'm using the Huda Beauty, what is this called? Pound Cake, Easy Bake Loose Baking and Setting Powder. And I also use this little sponge from Beauty Blender. I'm going to leave that under my eyes to set for a minute, but I'm also going to take a little bit on a brush and put that on my forehead because this really keeps you nice and matte, this powder. Okay, anyone call for a little bit of blush? This is my favourite one from Soap & Glory. It's called Peach Party. I've used this for years. Not this exact one, that would be disgusting. I ain't got time to sneeze. A little bit of highlight goes a long way. This is the OFRA highlight in the shade Rodeo Drive, or Rodeo Drive. I never know how to pronounce that. Bit on my cheekbones, bit on the end of my nose. Then at this point, I take a little bit more Hoola Light on just a little brush and wipe away the powder. I have 2 minutes and 15 seconds left. Huns, I haven't made it. Give your lashes a quick curl. Try not to pull them out in the process, Han. And the mascara I'm using is the Benefit Bad Gal Bang Mascara. My absolute favourite mascara in the world. To be fair, I'm quite impressed with myself that I've actually got this far though. This is almost a full face. The only thing I've got left to do is lips, lashes and setting spray. In fact, I'm going to do setting spray now, so that's one less step that I didn't achieve. I'm nearly there, I'm so close yet so far. And the lashes that I'm using today are the GWA Lust lashes. They're from Primark, they're my absolute favourite lashes ever. That's my hour up. As you can see, the time is now 14 minutes past 5, in which case we're going to call this the 90-minute transformation. Not going to lie, I kind of forgot about the timed challenge while I was putting my lashes on, so that took me about 15 minutes. I'm just living a stress-free life now. I'm going to use a bit of this lip liner, which is from TOPSHOP. And this is the Longwear lip liner in the shade Ceramic. It's kind of like a pinky little nude. Goes with literally anything. It lasts really well. And then over the top of this lip liner, I'm going to use a bit of the Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper. My lips are shining, my teeth are shining. Right, I think that's gonna do for now. So the final stage is to put my outfit on. And we have 5 minutes left until the 90-minute transformation is complete. So this is the final look. This is the dress that I would probably go for on my 21st. I absolutely love the one shoulder detail on this. This is from Pretty Little Thing, and I've got a little black fur clutch bag with it. I'll link both of these items in the description down below. And I actually haven't got any heels on right now, but I would either wear clear heels or black heels with this. But I love it. I feel like it could be a really formal dress, or you can just go for a night out in it. But anyway, that brings us to the end of this video, and it is officially 1 hour and 38 minutes since we started. 38 minutes overtime. I don't think that's too bad. Don't forget to go and check out the Wisdom Intense White Teeth Whitening Strips if you want your lashes to be shining. Why wouldn't you want that? And like I said, there's a link in the description down below so you can go and check them out. But anyway, my friends, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to let me know in the comments down below what you did on your 21st birthday or what you'd like to do. Remember to subscribe to see my future videos. But for now, thanks for watching and I'll see you again soon with another video. Bye! Happy 21st to me. Next month. You're ready a bit early, Han.